Sierra Madre, California. But I find it interesting that they have these things up here and they don't even know if they're safe for people. But I can tell you that they definitely are not safe for our environment, because it is killing bees all over the place over here. And who knows what else. There's one right there. But as we go over here, and they have two towers in between each other. As you go over here, you see a lot of dead bees everywhere. All over the ground. There's dead bees all over the ground. A bunch of them. And there's another tower that's about 40 feet away from this first one. And we come here all the time, and I never noticed. I noticed the dead bees and couldn't figure out why they were dying. And then I started hearing more about, how can I get this on there? I started hearing more about these, about the Wi-Fi and the 5G. Look at all these bees. And this is between the two poles. So there's literally another pole right here. There's this one, which has many more plates on it. And then if I zoom around over this way, there's another one right here. So they're like 40 feet away from each other. And then coming down here, there's like bees all over the ground. And this is literally between the two. So I'm just trying to document this video showing what it's doing to the bees and how much more can it be doing to us and our kids and all this stuff. There goes another bee, just fell on the floor. Wow. Just fell out of the sky, another bee, as I'm filming this. Right in between this, another one. Wow, I can hear them dropping. And they're dropping in between these towers. I mean, look. Look at all these bees everywhere. It's just bees scattered all over the place, dead. Dead from these towers. More bees. More bees over here. So I'm not for this 5G thing that's coming, and I hope that we can change things somehow. All right, God bless. Peace out.